Hello, sixth grade. Happy Monday. Hopefully, everyone had a great weekend and enjoyed the nice weather. This week, we're going to be doing a couple of different activities. Today, Monday, we're going to be playing Two Truths and a Lie. It's the math edition. If you've ever played the game before, it's just like the game that you've played, but this one's going to be having some facts in it. Here are the directions. So what you're going to do is you're going to create three different number sentences that include all four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You can use parentheses if you want to. I encourage you to use parentheses and or exponents if you would like to. And then once you give them to us, we're going to try to solve them. You must solve them using the order of operations. So remember, it's PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And so once you get those three sentences done, you're going to input them into a Google form that is located with this. Make sure you put your answers with them, okay? Two of the sentences are going to be correct. One of them you're going to make up and you're going to give a wrong answer or make up the lie, okay? So I have to figure out which one it is, so make sure you're trying to stump me. Don't make the numbers too big to try to, take forever, or do it with an easy one because that's no fun, okay? I have a couple of examples on the next slide, so when we get to it, you'll be able to see, and then you'll be able to figure out which one is my two truths and which one's my lie. So once you get them into Google Form, you'll hit submit and then turn in through Google Classroom. Make sure you do that for me, please. Okay, here's my three examples, A, B, and C. You might need to write down all three of them to solve them to make sure and see which one is my two truths and a lie. You will need this for the Google form when you get ready to start creating your own. So I'll give you a couple minutes to write down these. You might need to hit pause in the video so that you can write them down and see which one is incorrect and the two that are correct. Okay, lastly, here's a couple of things. Now it's your turn to create them. Make sure you create the three number sentences with all four operations within them. The best ones I'm going to post on Zoom, and to try and stump everyone. So if they're too hard, I'm probably not going to choose them. If they're too easy, I'm not going to choose them either. So they're just about right. Okay. And then there goes that don't make numbers too big and don't make them too easy. If you have any questions, please make sure that you email me or see us in our Tuesday Zoom meetings or our office hours. Okay. And then also, do not forget to log into Prodigy or Khan Academy. Prodigy's on Monday, Khan Academy's on Tuesday. I've been looking at them, and just make sure you log into them and participate in the activities. Okay? Take care. Have a great week, guys.